So I'ma get the youth and them a pre say them that the thing shot. Enough man get the chance and lap spend it.
Hi guys, it's your girl Get Cute with Pinky and I'm here with a voiceover video. Today we will be reviewing this wig that I received from Beauty Forever here. It is such a nice wig, guys. The color is so beautiful. It's a 99J T-part closure wig, 16 inches. And guys, I'm just going to show you the luster of this unit. Look at that. And as you can see, it's actually true to length. This is the construction of the unit. It has 4 comb inside and a little adjustable strap at the back. It has also this flesh tone color thing over the closure, I guess, to make it look more realistic. So guys, before I put it on my mom's head, I'm just going to go in with a little foundation and my brush just to make the lace at the front be, you know, flesh tone and matches my mom's skin. What I'm doing now is I'm lining up the unit and my mom's head properly. Guys, I really didn't have to do much to get this wig on my mom's head. The wig fits so snug, you don't need any bands, glue, nothing. The wig just fits snug and my mom has a very tiny head. She went ahead and braided her hair before, so it's not as flat as I would want it to be, but hey, she's not keeping it on long and who's gonna know. So what I'm doing is just detangling the unit before I flat iron it. And as you guys can see, the front part isn't layered properly. So I'm gonna go in further along the video and layer the front a little bit more. I'm gonna go in now with my scissors and I'm gonna cut the lace in a zigzag motion just to get it looking more realistic when I melt it, because I do not like when my lace just look like a straight line. So yep, that's what I'm doing. And guys, can we just acknowledge how beautiful my mom is? She is so gorgeous. Look at that cheekbone. 49 wear, right? So guys, I'm just gonna go back and push the lace back and apply my glue. I'm using the Hold Me Down lace glue from Erica J, by Erica J, sorry. This glue it really holds that shit down, trust me. So I just went in one layer. As I said, my mom is only keeping this wig on for a short period of time, and I'm just gonna go in my finger and smooth it out. Guys, I was so tired. I was all over the place. I didn't even remember that I had my blow dryer. I started to fan the glue with the wig cap, because I was so tired. So what I'm doing now is I am putting the lace into the glue and using my finger and my rat tail comb to push the lace into the glue so it sticks. You know what I'm saying? And guys, for me, it's an habit of mine to put glue on the back of my hands, like in case any part of the lace doesn't get glue. I just go back in there and apply it. So I think it's a very cool technique. I'm going in back with my blow dryer just to get it to melt further. And my mom, she likes baby hairs. So I'm going to go in and give her 2 little swoops at the side. And it might look white on film. The baby hair might look white on film, but I promise you, it was not in person. It was not. So I'm just gonna use my scissors and cut the baby hairs, and then use my got to be glue gel, and also my Nairobi foaming lotion to create my baby hair. And I use my finger and the brush just to guide me so that my baby hair is smooth and just neat. Yeah, it's showing a little white film, but trust me, it's not like that in person. So as you can see, the unit looks so natural and so real. And the color is just so flattering. Like, I really love the color. Guys, let me tell you about my flat iron and my hot comb that I purchased from Work, Slay, Pray. Like, listen, those two equipments are so good. Like, listen, I cannot emphasize enough. Like, the hot comb is, oh, it gets the hair so sleek, like sleek. And the flat iron is so dope. Like, I believe the flat iron heats up to 450 degrees and the hot comb is 500 degrees. So when I tell you they're hot, they're hot. And the flat iron, the hot comb comes with a little cover to protect it. So when I'm not using it, it goes in a little shell, which is so cute. Guys, I'm gonna list the products that I use in this unit to install this unit down below in the description bar, and I'm gonna put a link in there for this flat iron and this hot comb. As you guys can see, also I use my chai iron guard, and I also use my silk oil, but I don't remember the name. I have to put it in the description bar. But those are the stuff that I use to straighten my hair, and it does it well. The hair was already very silky, so it wasn't anything too intricate to just flat iron. But as you can see, the hair is nice, simple and cute, easy to install. My mom does not know how to comb hair, so I like when she can have these little units to put on when she's ready to go somewhere without stressing me out. And as you guys can see, I went in with my flat iron just to give it a little bump, a little definition, to give her face a little definition. Nothing too serious. And she loves it. This is a finished look. And look at my queen. So beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave your comments down below. Goodbye, my cuties.